Yo, what's up, y'all? It's your boy Trader TZ, and I'm back. This is gonna be an update for the EA positions that I took 6 days ago. These were long-term positions that I was trying out on a new template. Just like I said, this is a rough draft. I still been playing with a few little ideals here and there. Hold on, I have to get something to drink. But yeah, I'm still playing with a few little ideals here and there, but for now, this is what I'm trading off of, just trying to get a feel for it to see if it's any good long term. Get the confidence really just to hold the positions a lot longer without second guessing like the analysis or whatever like that. And this is really just made to cut down like the chart studying time as far as doing the technical analysis and drawing support, resistance, trend lines, blase. So take a look right here on the entry point. I got in the entry point on the 4-hour time frame, and I had the confirmations I needed. Like I said in the last video, I said pay attention to the MACD because the sellers was getting weaker and the buyers was getting stronger. And if you see, that's what happened. We got a small little resistance right here on the 4-hour, but that's going to get broke because, I mean, long term, the position should, continue to go north or whatever. So that's what the analysis of, at least from in my head, based off of the template, this is where we're going. So right now we're up 1,084 pips. So let's go back. As you see, like I said, this is just the beginning entry point. I believe this resistance will be broken. So if you go back to the daily, you see you already had your A, B, C pattern based off of the fib, but this is also a higher high. So if you was to draw a trend line, you'll see that this is the bottom, the lowest point. This is slightly higher. And then with the reversal circles that I use also in the template, part of the strategy, so if you can be able to see what's a retracement and what's actually a trend reversal, that's real helpful. So like I said, we'll just see. We're gonna hold these positions for a minute. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna probably take the TPs off because I'm pretty sure it's gonna run about right here somewhere, and that's just based off of using the fib. If I was to draw the B to C leg, had the TPs up here, boom. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna move them or take them off and let it run. But I got a few other trades that I'm in and a few other pairs. I'm gonna run through them real quick with y'all. Some of these I got in before the EA. Some of them I got in a day or two prior. So, this right here is the EURAUD on the daily. Long-term time. A long-term time frame as far as like the daily time frame. So, it's supposed to be a swing trade. Like I said, the whole template is actually a swing trading template. You could possibly use it on the 1 hour or the 4 hour. Like, I used the 4 hour as an entry point on the daily. So, like, if I'm second guessing myself, if I want to drop down just to get a better entry. So as you see right here, you got your 4-hour entry. Boom, that would have been somewhere up here. I got in a few pips late, probably 10, 15 pips late. Let me see. That's about what? It's about 100 pips. Slightly. Okay. That makes a difference. But as you see, you got a reversal circle right here on the pullback. So if you draw your fib from right here, boom. So now you're looking at your 618. So you already know when price come down, it's going to break this structure. Boom. Then it's going to set a higher high. Then you can be able to draw your trend line, something like this. Once it breaks this support, it'll break it, create a new support, get another continuation circle in the uptrend, boom, skyrocket. So that's why we're looking at it to continue going up. So let's see, this one right here, this one, I might end up closing some of the positions out. Right now it's positive, as you see, 802 pips. But on the 4-hour time frame, I was actually selling this position because I got in a little late. I didn't get up like right in here in this area and let it come down. Caught the retracement. Now you see this is a 618 retracement with the continuation. So what that means is that since I got a reversal circle right here, that means that this downtrend can be done based off of what the lower time frame is telling me. So if you look on the daily is telling me that I got a trend reversal at the highest point. But if you were to draw something like, let's say a trend line like this, right? Well, actually, it'll be like this, my bad. It'll be like that, right? So let's say if you was to think about the actual break and retest and the actual support zone within a reversal of a downtrend, when it breaks the support level, it often comes back and retests it just to make sure that it's clearly becoming a resistance. So if you go back to the 4 hour, now you see why it will have something like this. So this is why I say I might take the profit, get out, let it show me signs that it's gonna come back up, test this, and then continue in the downtrend, because this might push up even more. So I don't know on the GJ exactly, but you just gotta trust the analysis. That's what the template is for. So as far as the AJ, let's say it's the same process really, because it's the same cross pair. You got GBP, JPY, and then you got the AUD, JPY. So it's pretty much set up similarly, so it's no point in going over that one. And then you got the AUD, NZD. So on this one, let's go to the daily. It's showing the sign of what? A reversal. Got in a little early because you see the candles aren't red, but I also got in based off of the 4 hour. So this right here is going to be the A to B. Then you get your B to C. So I'm looking for a retracement to the 61.8. And then once I'm only in one position, so once it goes back here and then it show me it's going to be in a continuation of a downtrend, such as, you know, let's say like a boom, it hits that point and it comes down, then I know it's gonna continue in that downtrend, and then I can have my look. As you see, I already got it down here. I'm already ahead of the game, but this is just one position. Like I said, I'm playing with the template. That's why I didn't load up on it, even though, you know, I'm just trying to figure it out, so it wouldn't even matter. But I do have another video I'm going to possibly be posting very soon on the FTMO challenge I'm about to do, and I want to use a separate template for that, something a little bit more realistic and clean. So stay tuned for that.